Some scooters will run for 100,000 miles without a single serious repair. Others will start draining your wallet before you even finish paying them off. The difference is not always the brand. Today, we're counting down the 7 most reliable scooters you can buy today. And if you drop off before the end, you'll miss the one scooter that has outsold every other machine on this list combined. Number 7. Honda Forza 350. Kicking off our countdown at number 7 is a scooter that has quietly become one of the smartest choices for riders who value reliability above everything else. The Honda Forza 350. This scooter represents decades of Honda engineering, combining premium comfort with the kind of durability that has earned the brand its legendary reputation. At its heart is a refined 330 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine built around Honda's enhanced Smart Power Plus or ESP Plus architecture. Designed with low internal friction, efficient cooling, and precise fuel injection, the engine delivers smooth, consistent performance, whether you're navigating stop-and-go city traffic or cruising comfortably on the highway. This isn't the fastest scooter in its class, but that's never been its mission. The Forza 350 was engineered to start every morning without complaint, deliver thousands of dependable miles, and make ownership as stress-free as possible. One of the biggest reasons riders keep coming back to the Forza is its impressive balance between comfort and practicality. The seating position is roomy enough for taller riders, while the generous windscreen offers excellent protection from wind fatigue during longer rides. Under the seat, there's enough storage for 2 helmets on many markets, making daily errands or weekend trips surprisingly convenient. Features like keyless ignition, traction control, LED lighting, and an adjustable windscreen give it a premium feel without sacrificing the mechanical simplicity that helps keep maintenance costs low. Owners regularly report years of reliable service with little more than routine oil changes, belt replacements, and scheduled maintenance. It's the kind of scooter that spends far more time on the road than it does sitting inside a repair shop. Another reason the Forza 350 continues to hold its value so well is its remarkable long-term reputation. New models typically sell between $7,500 and $8,200, while used examples represent some of the best bargains in the premium scooter market. Reliability isn't something that happens by luck. It's the result of careful engineering, conservative tuning, and components built to last. Honda has mastered that formula better than almost anyone, and the Forza 350 is living proof. But as dependable as this scooter is, the next machine on our countdown takes reliability in a completely different direction and has been winning over riders all around the world. Trust me, you won't want to miss number 6. Number 6. Piaggio Beverly 400. Surprised to see an Italian scooter this high on a reliability list? You really shouldn't be. The Piaggio Beverly 400 has spent years quietly proving that dependability isn't exclusive to Japanese manufacturers. Instead of relying on flashy marketing campaigns or bold performance claims, it has earned its reputation the old-fashioned way, through hundreds of thousands of real-world miles logged by commuters, touring riders, and everyday owners who simply expect their scooter to start every morning without drama. That's exactly what the Beverly continues to deliver. At the heart of the Beverly sits a smooth 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing around 35 horsepower. Rather than chasing maximum output, Piaggio focused on refinement, durability, and efficiency. The engine delivers strong low-end torque for effortless city riding while remaining relaxed at highway speeds, reducing mechanical stress over the long haul. Large 16-inch front and 14-inch rear wheels provide noticeably better stability than many traditional scooters, soaking up potholes, rough pavement, and expansion joints with confidence. Add ABS, traction control, generous underseat storage, and excellent wind protection, and you have a scooter that's equally comfortable commuting during the week or heading out on weekend adventures. What truly separates the Beverly 400 is how well it ages. Owners frequently report exceeding 60,000 miles with little more than scheduled oil changes, belt replacements, and routine servicing. The engine remains smooth, the chassis stays tight, and build quality continues to impress even after years of daily use. New models typically sell for around $7,500, while well-maintained used examples often represent outstanding value between $4,500 and $6,200. It proves that premium engineering and long-term reliability can absolutely go hand in hand. But if you think this scooter has set the standard, don't go anywhere, because the machine coming in at number 5 has been winning over riders for decades with an entirely different formula, and its reliability record might surprise you even more. At number 5, Yamaha XMAX 300. We're down to the top 5 now, and from this point forward, every scooter on this list has earned its reputation through years of real-world reliability, not marketing hype. The Yamaha XMAX 300 is a perfect example of what happens when a manufacturer takes decades of scooter engineering experience and builds a machine that feels just as comfortable commuting through city traffic as it does cruising on the highway. It's one of those rare scooters that manages to blend premium features, everyday practicality, and exceptional durability into one incredibly well-rounded package. Power comes from Yamaha's proven 292 cubic centimeters blue-core liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 27 horsepower with a focus on smooth, efficient performance rather than outright speed. The blue-core technology reduces internal friction, improves cooling efficiency, and minimizes engine wear, helping explain why so many owners report tens of thousands of trouble-free miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Add features like ABS, traction control, a spacious underseat storage compartment large enough for 2 helmets, an adjustable windscreen, comfortable ergonomics, and a rigid motorcycle-inspired chassis. And you have a scooter that's equally happy tackling daily commutes or weekend road trips. Even after years of ownership, many XMAX models remain remarkably tight, quiet, and dependable, a testament to Yamaha's outstanding build quality. New models typically sell for around $6,300, while well-maintained used examples offer exceptional value thanks to their outstanding reliability record and strong resale value. It's easy to understand why so many riders consider the XMAX 300 one of the smartest long-term purchases in the scooter world. But as impressive as Yamaha's engineering is, the next scooter proves that outstanding reliability isn't exclusive to Japanese manufacturers. In fact, number 4 comes from a brand that surprises almost everyone with just how durable its machines have become. Before we continue, if you're looking for quality motorcycle accessories, riding gear, or maintenance tools at great prices, be sure to check the links we've included in the video description below. Number 4. Honda ADV16. Oh, most scooters are built for smooth city streets. The Honda ADV160 was built for the roads that everybody else tries to avoid. Inspired by Honda's adventure motorcycles, it combines rugged styling with real-world capability, making it one of the toughest and most versatile scooters in its class. With increased ground clearance, long travel suspension, wide handlebars, and chunky tires, the ADV160 feels equally at home weaving through busy urban traffic or tackling cracked pavement, gravel roads, and unexpected potholes. At its heart is Honda's proven 157 cubic centimeters enhanced Smart Power Plus engine, the same power plant that has earned an outstanding reliability reputation in the PCX160. It's fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, remarkably fuel-efficient, and engineered to deliver thousands upon thousands of dependable miles with minimal mechanical drama. What really earns the ADV160 its place on this list is the way Honda engineered durability into every part of the package. The ESP Plus engine reduces internal friction, keeps operating temperatures stable, and delivers smooth, predictable performance whether you're commuting every day or heading out for a weekend ride. Owners consistently praise how easily these scooters rack up high mileage with nothing more than routine oil changes, drive belt replacements, and scheduled servicing. Honda's reputation for bulletproof engineering shines through once again, while practical features like ABS braking, Honda Smart Key, generous underseat storage, and excellent fuel economy make everyday ownership even easier. It's the kind of scooter you buy once and confidently ride for years. The ADV 160 also strikes an impressive balance between comfort and capability. The upright riding position offers excellent visibility in traffic, while the suspension absorbs rough surfaces far better than most traditional scooters, reducing rider fatigue during longer journeys. Whether you're navigating crowded downtown streets or taking the scenic route through country backroads, the ADV 160 feels composed, confidence-inspiring, and incredibly easy to live with. New models typically sell for around $4,500, while well-maintained used examples often range between $3,000 and $4,000, making it one of the smartest values in today's scooter market. But if you think this Honda sets a high standard for long-term reliability, just wait until you see number 3, because the next scooter raises the bar even higher. Number 3. Vespa Primavera 150. That steel frame was mentioned earlier. Well, here it is, and it's one of the biggest reasons this scooter has earned such an incredible reputation for long-term reliability. While most modern scooters rely on lightweight plastic body panels wrapped around a tubular frame, Vespa continues to build the Primavera around its iconic all-steel monocoque chassis. That construction doesn't just give it timeless Italian styling, it also delivers exceptional structural rigidity. Years down the road, when many scooters begin developing squeaks, rattles, and body flex from daily use, the Primavera still feels remarkably solid. It's old-school engineering that continues to outperform many modern designs. Power comes from a proven 155 cubic centimeters, air-cooled single-cylinder engine that's intentionally engineered for durability rather than outright speed. Vespa didn't chase big horsepower numbers here. Instead, they focused on creating an engine with low internal stress, smooth fuel delivery, and outstanding fuel economy. The result is a scooter that's perfectly happy weaving through city traffic every day while asking for very little in return. Owners routinely report well over 50,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes, drive belt replacements, and basic scheduled maintenance. That kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It comes from decades of refining a platform that's built to last. What really makes the Primavera special is that it manages to combine classic style with modern dependability. It's one of those rare scooters that still looks elegant after years of ownership, and thanks to its strong resale value, it often costs less to own than many cheaper competitors in the long run. New models typically retail for around $5,700, while well-maintained used examples remain highly sought after because buyers know exactly what they're getting, a dependable machine that simply refuses to wear out. But as impressive as the Primavera is, the next scooter on our countdown raises the bar even higher by combining exceptional reliability with genuine adventure-inspired capability. If you thought this Vespa was tough, wait until you see number 2. Number 2. Suzuki Burgman 400. Taking the number 2 spot is a scooter that has quietly built one of the strongest reputations in the entire maxi scooter world, the Suzuki Burgman 400. While flashier models often grab the headlines, the Burgman has spent more than 2 decades proving itself where it matters most, on real roads with real riders. Since its introduction in the late 1990s, it has become the go-to choice for commuters, touring enthusiasts, and experienced riders who value dependability above everything else. Long production runs rarely happen by accident, and the Burgman 400 has remained in Suzuki's lineup for one simple reason. It consistently delivers exactly what owners expect. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or spending hours on the interstate, this scooter has earned its reputation by simply refusing to quit. At the heart of the Burgman 400 is a proven 399 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that's tuned for smooth, usable performance instead of chasing big horsepower numbers. That conservative approach is one of the biggest reasons these scooters last so long. With fewer mechanical stresses placed on internal components, owners routinely report well over 60,000, and in many cases even 100,000 miles, with nothing more than routine servicing. Oil changes, drive belt replacements at the recommended intervals, and basic maintenance are usually all it asks for. Fuel injection provides reliable cold starts in every season, while the continuously variable transmission delivers seamless acceleration that makes every ride feel relaxed and effortless. It's exactly the kind of machine that lets you enjoy the journey instead of worrying about the next repair bill. Comfort is where the Burgman truly separates itself from many scooters in its class. The spacious stepped seat provides excellent support for both rider and passenger, while the generous legroom allows you to stretch your feet forward during longer rides, a feature many riders appreciate after spending several hours in the saddle. The large windscreen offers impressive protection from wind and rain, reducing fatigue on highway trips, and the generous underseat storage easily swallows 2 full-face helmets or enough luggage for a weekend getaway. Despite its touring capabilities, it remains remarkably manageable around town, thanks to its low center of gravity and predictable handling. New models typically sell in the upper $8,000 range, while well-maintained used examples offer outstanding value for riders looking for premium comfort without paying premium prices. But if you think the Burgman 400 represents the pinnacle of scooter reliability, wait until you see the machine that takes our '1 spot. It has become the benchmark that every other manufacturer has been trying to match for years. Number 1. Honda PCX160. We're down to the '1 spot, and if you've been watching this countdown from the beginning, this choice probably won't surprise you. Every scooter we've covered has earned a reputation for dependability. But the Honda PCX160 sits in a league of its own. Its reliability wasn't built on marketing claims or flashy advertisements. It was built through millions of real-world miles ridden by commuters, delivery riders, and everyday owners who rely on their scooter every single morning without giving a second thought to whether it'll start. That's the kind of reputation you simply can't manufacture. The Honda PCX160 is the latest evolution of a platform that has been proving itself around the world since 2009. Honda has continually refined the formula without changing what made it successful in the first place. Its 157 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine features Honda's enhanced Smart Power Plus technology, designed to reduce internal friction, improve cooling efficiency, and maximize fuel economy while maintaining impressive durability. The automatic transmission is smooth and predictable, maintenance requirements are refreshingly simple, and owners regularly report tens of thousands of trouble-free miles with nothing more than routine servicing. Add excellent fuel economy, comfortable ergonomics, generous under-seat storage, and Honda's legendary build quality, and it's easy to understand why the PCX remains one of the best-selling scooters on the planet. New examples typically sell for just over $4,000, while used models represent some of the best values in today's scooter market thanks to their proven reliability and strong resale value. If you're shopping for a scooter that can handle daily commuting, weekend rides, and years of dependable ownership without draining your wallet on unexpected repairs, the PCX160 is incredibly difficult to beat. It's the kind of scooter owners buy, ride for years, and often struggle to replace because nothing else feels quite as dependable. If this countdown helped you discover your next scooter, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which scooter you trust the most. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.